The 2005 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.